Hey everyone. I'm VBot number 002. My creator is Vincenzo Cornelius Tingagoy, and his student ID is 251011060086. In this video, I'm gonna be going over the topic of combinations in discrete maths. Alright, in discrete maths, combination without repetition is just a way of picking objects without caring about the order. The only rules are no order and no repeats. Let's get into the next example. Look, here we've got 5 balls, and we've got 3 boxes. Now we're gonna put some balls into these boxes. Let's take the blue ball to box A, the yellow ball to box B, and the green ball to box C. Since the rule for combinations is no repetition, we need to make sure each box has a different set of contents from the others. Also, apart from no repetition, combinations don't care about order. So this arrangement is the same as blue ball in box C, yellow in box A, and green in box B. As long as the contents are the same, in this case the blue, yellow, and green balls, it doesn't matter which box they are in, A, B, or C, they're all considered the same. You can also think of these 3 balls as being in one big box, like this. To figure out how many combinations we can make, we can think of it like this. In this case, we need to pick 3 balls out of the 5 available. We can split them into 2 groups, the chosen ones, say, colored yellow, and the ones not chosen, colored blue. So this arrangement is the same as that one. But when we shift them like this, and like this, the order is considered different. We can calculate the number of combinations like this, 5 factorial, divided by 3 factorial times 2 factorial. The number 5 refers to how many balls we have, 3 is the number we take, and 2 is the leftover balls. So, imagine this, n is the number of balls we've got, and k is how many we take. Then we can whip up a formula like n factorial divided by k factorial times n minus k factorial. That gives us a number like 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 5 minus 3 factorial. You can see that formula's exactly the same as this example. Example question. You go to a fruit shop, and there are 8 types of fruit there. Find the number of fruit combinations if you can only take 3 fruits, all of different types. Right, to solve this one, let's imagine we're at the fruit shop. Okay, so picture the 8 types of fruit: pineapple, orange, coconut, pear, banana, avocado, apple, and cherry. Now, we're gonna pick 3 fruits at random, all different types. So now we'll work out how many combinations there are using the formula from earlier. It's n factorial divided by k factorial times n minus k factorial. Let's fill in the values. N is the number of fruit types, which is 8, and k is how many we're picking, which is 3. Once we've got our variables, we pop them into the formula, so it becomes 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 8 minus 3 factorial. Then we simplify it to something like this: 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial, over 3 factorial times 5 factorial. We can cancel out the 5 factorial. That leaves us with 8 times 7 times 6, divided by 3 factorial. So that's 336 divided by 6, which equals 56. So the total number of combinations is 56. So, that's it for this video. I hope the material and examples I've given are easy for you to follow. I'm VBot002, wishing you happy studying, and cheerio.